Keeping appliances in good working order does a few important things. It saves you money on expensive professional repairs, extends the life of your appliance, and it can improve their energy efficiency.
There are a variety of easy maintenance and repair tasks you can complete on your own. We're going to go through a few of them as well as some simple troubleshooting you can do to help diagnose when repairs are needed. Let's get started.
When starting any DIY project, always consider safety first. Unplug any appliance you'll be working on and make sure you have appropriate protective gear, like gloves if handling sharp or warm components, and eye protection if you're stirring up dust or other particles.
Another quick rule of thumb before we get started, the 50% rule. If your appliance is more than 50% through its expected lifespan, you can internet search this or consult the appliance's literature to find it. And the cost of the repair is 50% or more of the cost of a new replacement appliance, your best move is to strongly consider buying the new appliance. It's likely to be more energy efficient out of the box and will be a smarter investment in longevity.
Let's talk about basic troubleshooting. Sometimes this is as simple as listening to your appliances. Moving parts like fans, belts, or anything that spins are often the first things to wear out. Listen for any grinding noises or hesitations as your appliances click on or start to work. Another giveaway for issues is leaks. Water or other fluids appearing where they should not be could signal a faulty hose or connection. Appliances sometimes ask for help in other ways. You may notice reduced performance, like the inability to hold selected temperatures, the inability to perform the task they're designed for, or even the appearance of an error code on a display. Don't ignore these items. Look up error codes as they occur, either online or in the appliance literature. Do a little internet research and see if your particular appliance has an easy fix or reset for the problem you're experiencing. Try easy stuff first, and then escalate to bigger repair tasks as needed. For gas-powered appliances, always make sure pilot lights or other ignition processes are in good working order. A word of caution, troubleshooting problems can only go so far, so if you run into an issue you don't feel skilled enough to handle or that could create a hazard for you or your family, get professional repair help.
Knowing your appliance setup is a key first step to maintaining your appliance setup. Identifying breakers, hoses, shutoffs, and other connections can allow you to more easily get to them if something is going wrong. Your dishwasher and possibly your refrigerator have plumbing connections. Know where hoses and shutoffs are and check and replace them if they show signs of leaking or wear. Gaskets and seals on ovens, refrigerator doors, and microwaves can be replaced to help maintain their efficiency in operation. Keep your appliances clean, especially filters to provide needed air circulation for the unit. If filters are replaceable, make a point to change them out as the manufacturer recommends. If they're removable and cleanable, do so every 6 months or so. Vacuum fridge coils on the back of your appliance to avoid the buildup of dust and chase those dust bunnies out from underneath as well. Your interior refrigerator components will last longer and be healthier for you and your family if you keep them clean. Wipe up spills in the fridge and throw away expired or non-essential items that can cause clutter or leak. Check temperature settings on refrigerators, freezers, and ovens periodically to make sure they're functioning as intended. Seasonal or periodic maintenance can go a long way to extending the life of your appliances and correcting small issues before they become big issues.
Here are a few everyday tips for your maintenance journey. Buy a good multimeter. It can be less than $20, but it will help you when you need to identify if wiring or outlets are faulty. Have a full toolkit, including basics like a measuring tape, hammers, screwdrivers, pliers, wrenches, a level, flashlights, and a utility knife. Small hardware like nails, screws, and electrical tape are also good to have.
Other items that come in handy for repairs are wire cutters, a stud finder, an AC detector, cordless drills and drill bits, and extension cords. Expand your kit as necessary instead of buying everything at once. Generally, use daily energy-efficient practices. Cold water settings for laundry. Run a full dishwasher, but not overloaded. Clean the dryer lint filter after every load. Clean the dryer vent pathway seasonally and close appliance doors gently to avoid excessive wear and tear. When appliances need more care than you can provide, use warranties to complete professional repairs if in force. If you need to replace an appliance, check for rebates or incentives for energy-efficient appliances from government sources or your energy provider. And always consider Energy Star rated appliances when investing in new units.
More details about troubleshooting issues with appliances and improving their overall energy performance are available at PowerHouseTV.com and AlliantEnergy.com.